Okay, so this is the Hopkins and Allen 722. It's completely broken down. Everywhere that I'm able to see, folks are talking about the trigger spring, or excuse me, the hammer spring being a leaf spring. However, this is the hammer spring and detent. It's obviously freaking bent. I gotta fix that. And the detent goes in that recess there. The hammer spring sets inside the frame. You can see it down there. There's a recess for it milled into the receiver. So I don't know if the really early versions had this set up and subsequent versions had the leaf spring set up. I don't know, but that's all I got. I mean, I'm figuring this thing out as I go, and it's been an interesting little project. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, little Hopkins and Allen, okay, model 722. When I broke it down, all the internal springs and plungers were just loose in the receiver. That's why there was no tension anywhere. So I cleaned the shit out of it, cleaned the hell out of the bore. There's a lot of rust in there. It's pretty pitted. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fire this one. If you did fire it, you probably wouldn't have any regularity on where the rounds went from shot to shot, because that barrel is pretty pitted on the inside of the bore. However, we do now have a functioning weapon. We have return on the trigger, okay, so that's good. The hammer had no tension before. Now we have proper tension. The falling block had no tension before. Now we have proper tension on the falling block. And when the block falls, the extractor protrudes and brings the round out just a little bit so you can pull it out. And you put your other round in there, drop the block on the new round, press the trigger, okay? So it's functional now. I'm still got a buttstock. I'm actually bidding on one, and that auction ends tonight at midnight. So it's an original takeoff, so that's cool. I don't know, man. I might get a hair up my ass and source a barrel, because I don't know, I could probably send rounds down range with this as it is, but I wouldn't feel too good about hitting anything. That bore is pretty chewed up. But I pulled about 100 patches worth of rust out of this bore. It's bad. It's bad. There's no saving it, that's for sure. So it's either going to be a wall hanger that is functional, or I'm going to source a freaking barrel and just go for it, you know, make it a real shooting rifle again. So anyway, there's the update.